Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to set up abandoned cart emails in Klaviyo. So first thing, we got to go to flows on the left side right here. Then click on create flow. Now we're going to search here abandoned. And here we can see abandoned cart. Click on it. Now choose. So before anything, your Shopify should be integrated first, and we have not yet received any added to cart. So you need to have an abandoned cart example first, and then you can use the template. Then after that, just click on the template and you can edit all the flows to your desire and just click on save. Thanks for watching.